Suniga?
You're done with the flu? It seems like everybody has some kind of bug.
Oh man, we're trying to keep it from coming back around.
Yeah. Isn't that song by Carole King? It will be coming back around again or something? All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 7832 State versus Christopher Suniga. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Prater for the state.
Brandon Lopez from Mr. Suniga.
And are you Mr. Suniga?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled
Oh,
motion to?
Oh, Your Honor, I hate to interrupt. I was approaching the court on a reset, Your Honor. I had indicated on the sheet that I turned
Oh,
in.
nobody told me that. So why are we requesting a reset?
Your Honor, I conferred with the state and they gave us two offers. My client is requesting time to consider those offers and make a decision by
All
next
right,
setting.
how old are you?
41.
I'm sorry, what?
41.
All right, so that needs to be considered today. All right, so let me know when y'all are ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, if the court will indulge, he knows what he wants to do.
All right. All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 7832. Mr. Suniga, did you review the document entitled motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Christopher Michael Suniga who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 7832 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on December 11, 2023 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Judge will be proceeding on a violation of condition number 41, specifically that on or about the 31st day of October 2025 in Travis County, Texas, the defendant Christopher Miguel Suniga is then and there failed to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Berry County Community Supervision First Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, and that the defendant was unsuccessfully discharged from the Austin Transitional Center in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, I could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 10 years in prison and a $500 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of 41?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, there's the proposed agreement is to revoke the defendant and sentence him to 2 years TBC.
That's our understanding, Your Honor.
All right, so has he done anything
Your Honor,
other than the inpatient treatment?
he did complete the safe P.
All right.
Judge,
Yes.
we did, stage E. It looks like he actually went to stage E 2 times, one for 294 days, once for 163. It was that second time in which he did not the residential aftercare. Other than that, Judge. That's it.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
I am, Your Honor.
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Thank you.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, credit for any successful inpatient treatment completion. And there is to be no residing in households with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because I followed your the recommendations for our attorneys and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. If you don't control your sobriety and just go to it second by second, minute by minute, hour by hour, you know what's going to end up happening? Either you're going to end up in prison for the rest of your life, or either somebody's going to have to identify your body. And I don't think you want any of those things. So when you're released from prison, you need to immediately go to a sober living house. They have transitional homes all over the city. If you can't find one, when you're released, I'm still here, you come here, I'll make sure that you get into one, okay? All right, good luck to you, sir. You're
Thank you, Judge.
welcome. You're welcome. All right, anyone else ready?